Welcome back. More wiring, more wiring. Hey, hood's back on it. That's a good sign. Fire it up later. It should go. Just going to check a couple things and get it down and road test it. Make sure all the brake lights, everything's working correctly. Signal lights, fan, everything. But yeah, here we are. That's everything that was on, I've been using, so I got a lot of cleaning up to do. 09, been running it a little bit. Pretty awesome car. For a 6-cylinder, which I know it's not a GT, but yeah, looks like one. And in this world, that's all that counts, if it looks the part. It definitely will get up and go. It rides great, runs great. Doing a video on that a little bit. I got to get the rat rod out of the corner. I got a lot of stuff to do. Lawn's been done once. There's the neighbor's flowers are out there. Here we go. That time of year. Let's get at it.